been made to feel extremely welcome today. I feel really grateful. It's really nice to have it through a different lens.
It's always better when somebody
Chance to experience harmony in community, and I really felt that strongly. So that was really, really nice. We don't do this enough. I don't have a chance to do this enough.
And to my right, I have Will Sajid.
It's a lovely experience. I feel very calm.
Thank you.
Yes, I found that a very fruitful and reassuring exercise.
Negative energy, replacing it with positive light of peace.
The EDL supporters who turned up in Newcastle Centre, I'm sure that they would have really enjoyed the experience. It was very, very calming, and you know, perhaps it's a secret weapon.
Just to remind us all of the wisdom and beauty of Islam.